My people, for this life, if you want thief, my people, I beg, thief big go so that if you want bribe EFCC, in fact, you go get every means and money to take do this one. Hushpuppi friend Mompha don't come as I can't talk say wetin make them bring wetin they call Hushpuppi down. Now because of say wetin in they very stubborn and say you know they listen. Say because of say wetin EFCC don't advise and say oga stay on a low. No, they spend anyhow. If you won't even travel, they do am on a low. But be like say this Hushpuppi in here as they talk the thing come outside for the next year. You know they hear what instead they live lavishly. If be like so all this one join, now make them these people come bust up. Now there the friend when they talk all this one with the interview where you get with the free say if say Hushpuppi they listen, if saying they hear what all this kind of thing no go happen to them. My people I beg, make now follow me watch.
Say anything way happen to us, people go link me with because if I no bring them, you understand. All these things don't go come my side, but na normal level. You get my point. But the only thing we just fuck am up be say you know listing and it is stubborn. So this life, if something happens to somebody, you're supposed to use your brain. Say, what will be the next thing? Make I cool down or make I not cool down. You know.
In fact, this Nigeria where we did, in fact, now playground. When EFCC get mind, they advise now they see. They advise the big people. But now see all these small Yahoo boys, any small thing, in fact, what if you advise? They don't obey you, they don't run carry you. But see this one now, as if be said the person now big person now, they no reason in matter. Now they even still the advice and say, okay, the one way they do, you don't overdo. I better go stay on the low. But this one, now God just catch them. So in fact, if you want do them, if you want even success, if you want be very successful with all this EFCC, just become rich scammer because for those people where they poor, in fact, you no get hope. You no even get faith for all this kind of people side. But I better make now watch this thing well. On I see as that the freeze they shine in 32. I'm surprised because this man, any small thing, he don't come outside, they criticize person. If na pastor, you don't carry her for head. If na this one, you don't carry her for head. But make na look this matter. He don't even talk any, he just shine teeth like person they put on top of fire. They shine teeth, they laugh. I don't know what they make them, they funny. Yeah, because him and Hushpuppi, they be friends. Him and this, I saw all of them now friends. I no go surprise one day they go come carry yourself. But I beg Oga Mompha, what you call yourself? I hope say you go there on your watch. This one will be say you don't come as I can't talk like say now you know everything pass. If like say every information about Hushpuppi now you know because you talk say now you carry and come out from Malaysia, can't even enter Dubai. So guy be like say you self you be accomplished. But the man now they talk say in fact if they reason the whole thing. Say because say they associate with Hushpuppi no mean say that they do the same business. You know. But I sure say this one I like. In just they talk this one so that EFCC I no go there on top of him body. But I beg you, how you go there associate? How you even bring out this man come outside from that place? With business on our two they do be say na quantum partners so be say now you go carry him from Mali, go enter Dubai. It means something there between on our two. And on top of this matter, I feel say if they won't arrest this person, soon they will still begin the arrest and this that the freeze and Mompha. Because if like say they too know things about this whole matter. If like say their mouth self, they even know past the Hushpuppi self where they inside this whole thing. But in fact, this Mompha they talk say all the names when they mention say not be Hushpuppi mention that these names. See as they check through in phone, now there they can't see all this kind of people. If like say this guy ain't no pass himself. So now they go put eye for your body because the way they talk, you supposed to be very careful. You know say na Nigeria we did, but I no go surprise. Now Nigeria everybody knows they go keep right their way in. And maybe na big person say last him go give this EFCC money. Now wetin make I know the reason. Now wetin make I come as I come they blab they talk anyhow. But for me, I would just be say, stay on the low. Even yourself as a person, your living habits. Maybe you go cut them. Because now they even attract all this EFCC to yourself. And I go snap picture with billions of money. We so naira like say now they walk past. And if there is all this, no be any legit work now they do. So now I go to attract all these people. But I hope say this whole matter, we go get to the end because as even be said, Abakari, we say they don't suspend them. So as this matter they go, I go they bring them as they hot because every day now they get new news about this whole Hushpuppi matter. So as they go, I go they bring and come for now. Anything you feel about this matter, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. The U.S. courts don't issue arrest warrants for the deputy commissioner. This one will be Abakari. In fact, people now don't they come outside. People where they involved. For those of now we don't understand why they arrest this man. Now because of say what the big boy Hushpuppi, this guy don't come outside. talk say him pay bribe to this man. This guy will be saying na internet fraud na him dey do. So now him come outside say he give this man money. Say as bribe I know to take arrest person. Now there him confess this one. Now there the US magistrate judge wey name na Otis Wright come talk say he wan give warrant. Say make they go arrest this commissioner. Say in fact, he mean say this man they involved in the bad things where this guy they do. My people abeg, make una follow me watch where they for talk this one.
A U.S. court has issued an arrest warrant for a Deputy Commissioner of Police, Abba Kyari, over his links to alleged fraudster Raymond Abbas, popularly known as Hushpuppi. The arrest warrant was issued by a U.S. Magistrate Judge Otis Wright. A spokesperson in the United States Attorney's Office confirmed the development to Channels Television. According to documents unsealed this week in the U.S., Mr. Kyari had arrested and jailed one Chibuzo Vincent at the behest of Hushpuppi. Kyari also allegedly sent bank account details to Hushpuppi so the latter could deposit payment for Vincent's arrest and imprisonment. Mr. Kyari, in a Facebook post on Thursday, denied the allegations.
In fact, I don't know behind this one allegation have been a setup because it can't be like say Hushpuppi won't just they call people out, making no be like say now only and I won't go this jail. Now there him talk say he give money to this Abakari. Say make him use and arrest one man wey they call Mr. Vincent. And he even talk say the bank details say if he prove him as evidence, say all these kind of things dey. Hey! Abakari will be say big man for police place. Oh. This man no be even say now all this police will be say just they learn work. Now a big person, but as this thing happening, this Abakari self talk say everything na lie. Him go Facebook, go right and say all this one will happen, say no they involved. But I beg instead of you going to Facebook, why you self not even go find lawyer? May lawyer help you write this thing, go tell them say this one na lie because as the matter be. Or now no US people they go carry this matter serious. In fact, they no go even leave you. But in fact, this Abakari fans, they know they believe you. They talk say this kind man, you know if you do this kind of thing. Say this man too, they good to they do this kind of thing. Now there Femi Fani Kayode, himself come as this one will be the former aviation minister. He talk say he just believe say na FBI. Now he just they jealous of this man. See where jealousy don't. I'm not sure say this one are true because if this man no do this kind, I'm not sure say Hushpuppi go come outside. Come they mention in him. Say they just they jealous of this deputy commissioner and they just want tarnish his image. Then person will be say this police will be say if you risk in life for kidnappers, murderers and terror, I beg you risk all your life for all this kind and the things still they happen. I beg you can't risk am for. And say as the thing being in they expect say this whole thing now just because they won't spoil this guy name. Say this guy if he stand gidigbam. Say how person big person like this go come stood so low to they collect money from scammer. Person will be ordinary Yahoo boy. Person go come stand low upon all the money when they collect. He go come decide say na Hushpuppi among everybody go they collect for. Say in fact he no fit believe this kind thing. Say this one are just conspiracy to just spoil this DPC career. They just want spoil Abakari career. I can't surprise. So this one when you talk now, sure you go come minimize the issue of arrest. But like if say this thing it happened to one kind commoner, therefore don't bundle this man carry and go. But it's not saying a commissioner of police, and I say the man still in house. They never see arrest and since when they talk this kind of thing, instead they be in there. But God should in case they carry you go court. In fact, no go choose Nigeria. Just tell them they carry you go abroad, go prosecute you. Because at least you know say inside their prison you go enjoy. But if you go stay in Nigeria, all the people where you don't send go there, in fact, they go show you when. They go do you times 3 of what you don't do them. But I beg I don't even know who I won't believe. Because some people say they talk, say this whole thing with Hushpuppi, they talk, say na lie. But I'm not sure say it go be lie because among everybody, Hushpuppi no see person call. Now only this man, now in can see call. It means that something they made they do their investigation where thank God say bank self details they did. May they go check this guy bank details, check and say true this thing really happen or be no happen. Before they go begin give judgment, begin spoil person career because true if he be say they just want spoil this man career. But I sure say all of us they sit down and they wait on how they will take arrest this man, be which kind of judgment go come out from this thing. And I beg US people, why one they even put mind for something when they even concern? The person no do this person dey inside Nigeria. Person where they abroad, face am for there. Make we self Nigerians face our own for here. Make now no they put mouth like say now I get control of the whole world. Make we handle our thing by ourselves. My people beg, I hear this news as make I bring and come. Make na self is na here. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.